Hey, hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome to my channel. So, today I'll be showing you how you can convert your normal Facebook to a Facebook page and start working hard for monetizations. Okay, so before I quickly show you that, I would like to please ask you to like my videos, follow my channel, and also share my videos, please, so that a lot of people can know that they are actually convert and remove the limitation of 5,000 friends to unlimited. Okay, so let's quickly jump into that. So what you're going to do now, you just navigate yourself to your Facebook app. This is mine. I'll use this light for you and see. So this very Facebook account has reached its limitations on normal account of 5,000 friends. But today I want us to do it together, and I want us to kind of do it together, and you'll see how I'm going to convert this from a normal Facebook account to a Facebook page where I can have unlimited friends, unlimited followers. Okay, so what you're going to do, you navigate yourself to the right hand side. You see this add friends, add to story. You see this edit profile. You see this three dots. Just click on the three dot. If you click on the three dot, you can just watch down carefully. You look at the account status. You see this account status, it shows where your restrictions is. So you must mind what you post on Facebook so that Facebook will not restrict your account. Because the moment your account secure three good restrictions, you won't be able to monetize the account. Okay. So let me quickly show it to you. If you click the status, if you have any restrictions here, it will show here. So you see, account restrictions will show here. Continue to avoid restrictions on your account by following our community standards. Okay, so by the way, this is not what we are talking about now. Click on the three dot. If you click on the three dots, if you come down, you will see where they say turn on professional mode. Okay, you see turn on professional mode, right? If you turn on this professional mode, your account will be automatically changed to a Facebook page, no longer ordinary Facebook account. Okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I'll just turn on this professional mode. Click on the professional mode. You see where it has brought me, right? To say turn on professional mode, see content insight, learn more about your audience and see how well your content is performing. Let more people follow you. Cool. This is the essence you must change to a Facebook page. You will need more people to follow you because you need like not less than 10,000 people to start monetizing your account. Or better, you can still have 5,000 people and still monetize your account if you have 600,000 minute viewers. Okay, but on that one, it can only be an ads reel. You can make money from the reels, but from the others, you must have a 10,000 followers. Okay, so quickly click on turn on. If you click on turn on, this is where it will bring you to welcome to a professional mode. Explore all ways you can use professional mode to make the most of your experiences. Okay, you can either say done or start exploring, but let me say start exploring so that we know where exactly we're heading to. Start exploring. Okay, on this start exploring, you can go through all these to know what exactly, because you have a lot of guides here. So, but before that, you see the top professional mode guide. Second, you are congratulated. Congrats on becoming a creator. You can use this guide to get familiar with your new tools. Okay, on this occasion, we are done here. If you want to run ads, this is it. If you want to see your insights, how your page has been performing is here. We're just starting, so there will be nothing here. You see, post reach 0, post engagement 0, new followers 0, see details. You see, even though you go to still see these details here, everything is going to be 0 because we are just stating. Okay, and in this place you can quickly create a post. Maybe probably that will be your first post and others. Okay, so we go back from the viewing site. You can see here, you can see here um about professional mode. You can go to this place to kind of know what exactly you must avoid, or what exactly you must be posting, or what exactly you must be adding on your page, so that you can really be fine. There will be no restrictions. You see here, grow your audience, build your presence without starting a new page. So here showing that become a creator, anyone can follow and see your public content on your profile or in their feeds. Your total number of followers is also visible. Get discovered. Update your profile category in your about sections so people can learn more about you. Okay, if you want, you can go through all this. How can you go through all this? You click on go to profile. Okay, if you go to profiles now, you can just continue your editing and then just continue your editing. It's a normal thing. Okay, so if you want to see your dashboard again, it's here. Get started. Okay, this is where we just left. Okay, this is Meta Business Center. Find articles and the resources to help solve common problems. You can go to this place and search. If you have any issue, you can come to Meta to always find out what exactly the problem is. Okay, so I think for today this is where we will stop. So if you do have any question, do not hesitate to drop your question at the comment section, and I'll attend to you, and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. So my next video, I'll be kind of dropping some videos on how to increase your followers. Okay, how to increase your followers without running any ads. Okay, I will drop that probably by next week. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please do not hesitate to follow me, share the video, and also like my video. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. See you in my next video. Bye.